Hey, this is Tim Runyon, and man, do we have a lot of books to give away.
Hey guys, look at all these books we got. I mean, we got a ton. We inherited this bookstore, and we need the space. So we are actually would love anybody that would like to come out and is a big avid reader to give these books a good home. These books, we've got all kinds of books. There's romance, there's mysteries, there's sci-fi, there's cookbooks. So anybody that's interested in books, especially since you're off this week, we got pets, books. We have still have good authors, say with Tom Clancy, and all kinds of sci-fi books, Star Trek. We've got David Endings. There's all kinds of big names here as well. So if you guys would like books, we've got them, and please come out. All we're asking is for a donation to a couple of different charities. Thank you.